In front of me is FreeYond M6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access security over here. Then tap on screen lock under device security and tap on the best locking method for you: pattern, pin or password. Then you get to create it. Select next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, select confirm. Now answer this question by tapping on the best option for you. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided when you finished, hit done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!